In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your n8n account. So this is if you're on the n8n cloud and you're paying monthly for this, and maybe you transferred your account to a locally hosted account, and that's exactly what I'm doing and why I'm canceling this. Now, if you want to do that, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. You just go to the admin panel. So just go click right here. And then once you're here, you're like, well, now where do I go? Go to manage, scroll over to, or put your cursor over cancel plan, type in cancel, C-A-N-C-L, click confirm, and that should be that. Now, I'm going to click cancel subscription. It's going to be the green button finally. That's the one that's going to seal the deal. Why are you leaving us? Let's just say other. I'm just going to type not sure yet. I don't know. Just going to click whatever they want because no, don't contact me. I appreciate the software, but I don't want to give you any more information. Thanks for contributing. Thanks for your contribution. And that's that. So I guess that's the end of that. And now it says that I am currently on the starter plan. But it says resubscribe. So that means that it definitely went through, or cancellation went through, but all our stuff is still going to be there, but it will be deleted, it says, at the end of the billing cycle. So if you click open instance in your existing account, which you just canceled, rather the account that you just canceled, here we are. You'll see that you still have your automations there, but it did say that once the cancellation is over, I suppose on December 22nd, that's when the billing cycle is over. That's when they'll delete your entire account. So be sure to back up your stuff into your locally hosted instance of n8n if that's why you're canceling. Now, I'll show you how I did that. I just went over to a workflow. Click on a random workflow that you want to back up. Let's say this one. And then you can actually just copy everything. Like, so what I would do is Command A. Take this entire workflow, now that's highlighted, and click Command C to copy it all. And then just go, imagine that this is your new instance on your locally hosted n8n instance. Go ahead and create a new workflow in whatever thing. And then once you create that one, you just literally just Command and paste. And there you go. There you backed it up, or you brought it over to your new space. So that's how you do that. If you enjoyed it, hit the like, sub. You know what to do. Thanks. Take care.